I think you need to be a very self-driven person, and you need to be able to handle problems alone. You need to stand up for yourself to do this kind of job. My name is Sune, and I'm a superintendent at Everllence.
My name is Frederik, and I work as superintendent engineer for Everllence.
I think the most important part of being a specialist is that you know your product 100%.
Normally the crew have very high expectations because you're working as an engine specialist.
In our work we do all kinds of jobs and technologies. We do turbochargers, we do electrical, we do programming, we do all fields of technologies. We do a lot of traveling in our kind of work. I think it's more like a lifestyle.
When you're traveling as superintendent, 90% of the time is alone, and you don't exactly know what time and date you'll go back again. Sometimes the job can take 2 days, and sometimes it can take some weeks.
You meet a lot of new people all the time. It's never the same. You never see the same exact place. It's always in a different part of the world. It's always exciting to meet new people if you're open.
When you're working on board a vessel as superintendent, teamwork is very important.
We help each other 24/7. Weekends, evenings, mornings, we are there for each other, always.
In the rest hours I like to read a book and train in the gym to keep the good shape.
My advice to a student just graduated would be they need to know that you need to work very, very hard, and it needs to be something you put your mind 100% into.
If I should describe the job with one word, I would definitely say exciting.